SVL65-2 with 177 hours. Closed cab, air conditioner, heat. High flow machine. Hydraulic disconnect, new bucket. Got big type of motor warranty on it. Like brand new. Very, very nice. We just got it in. We haven't washed it or anything. It's just like a brand new machine. Buy a new one, this is what you get. New bucket. It is freezing out here. Very, very nice. Apologize for the quickie, but it's got 171 hours. Big controls. It does have a lot of Kubota warranty.